Welcome to Grease Monkey Garage.
Oh. Cleaning up a Rover SD1 V8. Got quite a lot of dirt on there. Many years of build-up of old oil and soot from the road. Now we're going to take the sump off and check all the bearings, check for any play in the crankshaft, and look for any wear within the engine. On that point about wear, the timing chain. I think that's a bit too much play. Could have been slipping teeth, anything like that. Could slip the timing and destroy the engine. So, I'll need to replace that. Let's get into it. Sump coming off. Already cleaned it up in there when we had it off earlier, but clean it up again. Just the residual oil dripping through the engine. We've got a lot of cleaning to do, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we do. I'll get this off, cleaned up. Not off. Yep. See what's below. Okay. Okay, so what we've done is taken off the sump and the oil pickup. Yeah, I was going to find it, but I can't remember where to put it. To allow us into all these to see what the bearings are like. So we're going to be stripping out all the con rods, pistons, taking off these and checking out the bearings and replacing. Might even change the camshaft and the followers. And obviously we need to change this because look at the amount of play on it, that's just shocking. That's where we're at. It looks really good. Bit of carbon build-up, but not awful. Nope. Well, that's the first of the 8 pistons and con rods that we need to take out. There's no play on it at all either. No play whatsoever. Doesn't look like there's any play on these at all. Anywhere. They're so thick.
Nice carbon build-up on that one.
Mm-hmm. So there we have it, a bare naked V8 engine. And the really annoying, surprising thing is, if you actually look at these bearings, there's hardly any wear, if wear at all, on them. They look pretty new, surprisingly, because the car, or the engine, isn't new. This is a Rover SD1 engine from the 1970s, 80s. Look how good that looks in there. It is dirty. It doesn't look worn. But that's cleaned up. Even look at the boards inside the pistons. The pistons themselves, hardly any wear on them as well. Come and see them. So I would have said this is a low mileage, low thrashing V8. I probably could have just put it in the TR7 and turned the key and it would have been fine for the next 20 years. Provided I keep changing oil. So oil is a big letdown. But other than that, it's been a fun process.
cleanest in there. That's where the flywheel would be. Here's the 5-speed LT77 V8 bell housing here, and the LT77 gearbox itself here that we're cleaning up so that we could paint it and fit it to the engine.
Yeah, that's no matter what. And here we have a nice clean engine using our special cleaner, trademark to us. Can't tell you what it is though. And then to start the process of the rebuild with all new gaskets and all new everything. Get a proper V8 running good.
Could still do with being cleaned up a bit more.
A wee bit on this bit.
Yeah.
But that bit could use the rapid cleaner. Because that does a good job as well. As you see there. So, about done with that then. Good. Okay, so that's a paint it now, and you'll just have to stay tuned for the rebuild. All the new parts getting fitted.